Hey everyone, feeling a bit on edge? Let's dive into some quick and effective ways to zap that stress right now. First up, deep breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and D's. Hold it deep and then let it out through your mouth. Focus on that sensation. It's like hitting a reset button for your mind. Next, try progressive muscle relaxation. Tense up your toes, hold it and release. Work your way up through your body from your legs to your shoulders and finally to your face. It's like giving yourself a mini massage, feeling jittery, engage in some physical activity. A quick burst of exercise like a brisk walk, light jog, or even some stretches can work wonders. Or if you prefer something more mindful, gentle yoga or Tai Chi can calm both your body and mind. Now let's switch gears to mental techniques. Meditation is a powerful tool. Focus on your breath or repeat a calming mantra to quiet your mind. Mindfulness is all about staying present. Just observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Let them come and go like waves. Positive affirmations can also lift your spirits. Repeat statements like "I am calm" or "I can handle this" to yourself. Need a change of scenery? Connect with nature. Take a walk in the park or sit by a body of water. Nature has a magical way of soothing our nerves. Engage in hobbies you love. Read a book, paint, play an instrument. Doing something you enjoy can be a great stress buster. Also, limit caffeine and alcohol. They might seem like quick fixes, but they can actually ramp up your stress and anxiety. And don't forget about sleep. Prioritize getting enough quality rest. Your body and mind need it. If stress and anxiety persist, consider seeking professional help. A therapist or counselor can offer strategies tailored to you. Remember, these tips can provide immediate relief. But for long-term stress management, it's crucial to address the root causes of your stress. Stay calm, stay relaxed, and take care of yourself. Until next time, cheers.